A hotel-style pillow wash for dazzling, spotless whiteness. Ever wondered how hotels get their pillows so clean? Let's discover the answer together. Hi everyone. Today, Life Kreativ is here to share a pillow cleaning hack for hotel white results. I'll test it on a sweat-stained pillow. We'll try it out step by step. You'll see the pillow come out bright white and spotless. Begin by adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix the baking soda and vinegar solution thoroughly. Then, add a small amount of toothpaste. Next, add your preferred laundry detergent. You can use powder or liquid, either one works fine. I like using liquid detergent because it dissolves easily. It makes stirring much simpler. Adjust the detergent amount based on your pillow size. Smaller pillows need less, larger ones need more. Once the mixture is well combined, then we're ready to wash our pillow. Then fill a basin halfway with clean water. Add in the cleaning mixture we just made. Since my pillow is large, I'll use a generous amount. Stir until bubbles form before soaking the pillow. Now let's soak both sides and check the difference afterward. I'll soak each side for about 15 minutes. Be sure to soak both sides so the stains come off completely. After soaking, most of the yellow sweat marks will be gone. Use a brush to gently scrub any leftover yellow areas. If you'd rather not hand wash, you can use a washing machine instead. Just add all the prepared ingredients to the washer with the pillow and start the cycle. Baking soda helps lift sweat and yellow stains easily, while vinegar removes dirt and brightens the fabric. After washing, rinse well with clean water several times. Next, remove the excess water from the pillow. After that, hang it in the sun for a while. If you have a dryer, the pillow will dry quickly and be ready to use the same day. Here's the finished pillow. Bright white, spotless, and free from any sweat stains. It's now smooth, fresh, and super comfortable, all without using bleach. See? The other side looks just as clean and white. So what do you think? Do you like today's cleaning trick? If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with friends and family so they can enjoy fresh pillows too. Don't forget to subscribe to Life Kreativ. See you all in the next video. Bye for now. Try this method yourself, and your pillows will be clean, bright, and super cozy again.